If you're seeing a 403 error on X, also known as Twitter, that usually means the server understands your request but refuses to complete it. In simple terms, something is blocking your browser, your session, or your network from loading the site correctly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix the x.com Twitter error 403 step by step, and I'll keep it super simple so you can follow along on your web PC. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common fix first, clearing your browser cache and cookies. A lot of the time, old or corrupted website data is what causes a 403 error on X. To do this, open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go into Settings, and from there open Privacy and Security. Look for clear browsing data. When the menu appears, make sure you check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Set the time range to all time so you fully remove the old data, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, refresh X and try loading the site again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem right away. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is opening X in an incognito or private window. This is a great way to test whether the problem is being caused by a browser extension or a bad login session. In Chrome or Edge, you can open Incognito with Ctrl+Shift+N. In Firefox, you can use Ctrl+Shift+P. Once the private window opens, go to X, sign in again, and check if it works normally. If it does, that tells you the issue is probably in your main browser settings, not with X itself. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and some script blockers can interfere with how X loads in your browser. To test this, go into your browser's extensions or add-on section and temporarily disable anything that could be blocking content. Start with ad blockers, VPN extensions, or anything related to tracking protection. After disabling them, reload the X tab and see if the 403 error disappears. If it does, you found the cause, and you can turn extensions back on one by one until you identify the one creating the conflict. Another possible cause is a network or IP block. Sometimes X may restrict certain IP addresses, especially on shared networks or if the connection looks unusual. A quick way to test this is by switching to a different network, like a mobile hotspot. If X works on the hotspot but not on your normal Wi-Fi, then the issue is likely with your primary network. In that case, you can wait it out, contact your ISP, or use a reputable VPN to change your browsing IP address. Just make sure you're using a trusted VPN service and not a random free one. If you're getting the 403 error while trying to log in through a third-party app or website, such as a social media dashboard or developer tool, then the problem may be a broken session. In that case, log out of X completely first. Make sure you're fully signed out, then go back to the third-party site and click the Login with Twitter or Sign in with X button again. This starts a fresh authentication session, which often clears the 403 issue when the old login data was the problem. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for the x.com Twitter 403 error are clearing cache and cookies, trying incognito mode, disabling extensions, checking your network or IP, and re-authenticating your login session. If one fix doesn't work, move to the next one in order. That way, you can isolate the cause without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.